Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I go by the name Peter C. So today I'll be bringing you the village videos. I'll be showing you how life in the village, and kindly support, subscribe, share, and I'll really be happy about that. So today I'll be showing you videos from the village. Here is our village. The weather today is very good, and as you can see, the weather today is very good. It's very good. So today the weather is just very fantastic. There is no rains, but likely it's to rain tonight. So kindly support me through this journey on my YouTube. Subscribe, and I really appreciate, and any comment leave it below. So today I'll be showing you how the village life is, and really support me through this channel. Here there is a lot of it doesn't ripe not yet, so we have a lot of village here. Life is so good. Yeah, everything is there. Food. This is maize. For those who don't know maize, this is maize. And we have also avocados, the crafted one. So this is the avocado, the crafted one. You see, there's a lot there, which it needs to be a lot of avocado. So, and here is the mango. Although mango is not doing well here, and also the have the sugar cane and everything. So kindly support me through this channel. I really appreciate, and let's enjoy.